All right, hello everybody. I'm meteorologist Greg D here. We are doing a little low tech here this afternoon. We're streaming so much on our Facebook page using the phone to give you an update on more wintry weather moving into northeast Ohio as we go into tonight. Let me see if I can get this monitor positioned a little better so you can see. There you go. This is what we're looking at right now on your screen, and that is more winter weather advisories. So in the blue, just about everyone except Tuscarawas County. If you are in northeast Ohio, you are likely under a winter weather advisory through noon on Saturday. Down toward Tuscarawas County, it's a freezing rain advisory until 8 o'clock in the morning on Saturday. What are we expecting? Well, in those areas that have the winter weather advisory, we're talking about 1 to 2 inches of snow, maybe 3. Then that will mix with and change to sleet and then freezing rain after midnight. We could get as much as 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch of freezing rain on top of any snowfall that falls. That will then transition over to regular rain and then additional snow Saturday night into Sunday, though these winter weather advisories are mainly for tonight and into Saturday morning. What's happening to our west? Big storm moving in. Let me show you the satellite picture here. Look at all the cloud cover off to our west. We've got snow developing already in the Dakotas. Around Ohio, we've already seen a couple of snow showers and flurries. And notice back to our west and southwest, you can really make this out on the radar right there. Snow showers and snow flurries develop. That's what's going to move in here later on this evening and tonight. Put down that quick coating of 1 inch or 2, and then add additional wintry weather after that in the form of sleet and freezing rain. Let's see if we can time this out for you. We'll load up Future View on our weather computer. I want to take this hour by hour starting this evening as we wait for this to load, just to give you a good idea of how to plan as we head into tonight. So here we go. We're going to start off with 3:30 this afternoon. Notice temperatures are in the teens. The blue numbers, those are your wind chills. They are pretty low, pretty chilly because of the strong gusty winds that we've seen. Really, any breeze with temperatures in the teens is going to drive that wind chill down. We'll go through 6, 7 o'clock. Still mainly dry. There may be some flurries and snow showers, but nothing that will accumulate to a lot. Notice the temperatures hold steady, if not even rise. As we go into 10 o'clock, here we go. Now the snow showers start to move in areas of snow. Steadier and higher amounts farther north, lighter amounts farther south, where we likely are going to deal with the precipitation kind of be more on and off. Through 1 o'clock in the morning, still looking at snow, temperatures coming up to the mid-20s. Watch the pink snow begin to move in. 2 o'clock in the morning down towards Mansfield. As we go into 4 o'clock in the morning, now it's sleet and freezing rain south of Cleveland, maybe snow farther north. And then as we go into Saturday morning, snow, sleet, freezing rain mix. This model really, the forecast has been changing quite a bit. Some have been keeping Cleveland in more snow, others in more freezing rain. We'll have to watch that transition very, very carefully as we go into tonight. Temperatures in the mid-30s by Saturday morning. That will likely mean reduced visibility, but also freezing rain transitioning to mainly rain. Ashtabula still looking at that wintry mix. Then through all day Saturday, it's not going to dry out. It's going to rain much of the day on Saturday. Temperatures climbing to near 40 by noon. We'll probably get into the 40s. Some of you may hit 50 if you don't have a lot of snow, especially down to the south. And there may be some lightning and thunder with some heavier downpours on Saturday night into early Sunday. That continues Saturday night. Could mix again with some freezing rain or sleet, and then we could even get some snow before sunrise on Saturday, before the whole system moves out. And then Sunday morning, some lake effect briefly during the first half of Sunday that could affect the primary snow belt with maybe another inch or so of snow. Basically, I know that was a lot, but we've got a mess moving in is what it is over the next couple of days. Let me see if I can pull up some information for you here in terms of what we're expecting for the actual snowfall amounts. We'll start you off with just a general map as I load the data here. Current temperatures. Let's put in let's put in some forecast numbers here. I'm going to take all this information off and do snowfall amounts. Let's say next 48 hours. And here we go. And then we'll load up a nice, easy color table. Now, that goes through Sunday. So let's just go through Saturday. Now, if this stays all snow, 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 inches or more possible. So this one model is thinking that there's going to be a lot more snow, clearly, through Saturday morning and less freezing rain. Some of the other models probably thinking a little bit differently. So this one definitely has a lot less snow, all the heavier snow into Pennsylvania. We'll look at another one, maybe that 2 to 4 inch amount of snow. We'll look at this very carefully, and then we can look at one more lighter. So there's still quite a difference between the models. There may be quite a range. We honestly may see quite a range by Saturday morning, depending on what the temperatures do here over the next 24 to 36 hours. So a lot going on. I just got in. I'm in for Betsy tonight. Hey there, everybody. I'm going to be looking at the latest model data, see what came in since this morning, since I was here last night. I've got a breakdown of it again coming up at 6, 7, and 11. We'll be back on Facebook later this evening as well once the snow begins. I think with each computer model forecast update, we'll get better information as far as what exactly we'll see. Do plan for this. Slick roadways after 8 or 9 tonight, as soon as it starts, through at least mid-morning Saturday. At least. For some of you, that may last longer. Slush, freezing rain, sleet. If we get a lot of freezing rain, more than a quarter inch, there may be some isolated power outages too. So we'll be looking for that very carefully. All right, that's the latest here. I'm going to go work on that forecast, and I'll see you back here on Facebook later on this evening, probably right after 7:30, and then we'll do, of course, the newscast, 6, 7, and 11 on Channel 3. See you guys.